We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Reminders app. If we open the Reminders application, here we'll be taken to our default reminders list. And we can see any reminders that we have here. If we scroll down, we can see that we have 5 completed reminders. If we wanted to add a reminder, we can either hit the plus button or the edit button in the top right hand corner. And we can begin typing in the reminder that we want to remind. And we can begin typing in our reminder. If we'd like to add details, all we have to do is hit the right arrow, and here we can remind us on a day. We can select the date and the time. We can even have it repeat. We can select the amount of time we like it to repeat, and we can even select the time we like to end the repeat. We can even remind at a location, and here it found our current location, and we can remind us to leave. We can have it remind us when we leave or when I arrive at this location. We can choose the priority level, and we can even add a note to our reminder. Once we're done, if we just press done in the right hand corner, our reminder will be saved. Once we've completed a task, if we hit the check box on the left hand side of the screen, we'll check our reminder off. If we scroll up, we can see our completed tasks. We can even see that the reminder that we just checked off is added to our completed. If we wanted to uncomplete a task, all we have to do is hit the checkbox left hand side, and that reminder will be added back to our default reminders list. If we swipe over the reminder, we can delete it, or by pressing edit in the top right hand corner and choosing the delete button. We can even rearrange them if we'd like to. If we hit the top left hand corner, we can see our lists. Here we can create a new list, or see our completed, or even the list we have for today. If we hit and create a new list, here we can start naming a new list that we'd like to have. By pressing any one of the dates in the lower portion of the screen, here we can see the lists that we have by date. Should I be worried?